from your phone.
Guys, so today we are going to be shopping around for some furniture. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Favorite black YouTuber? Favorite black YouTube gamer? Okay, his favorite is Corey. And please fly us out. Where does he live? What state does he live in?
Oh, what?
What state does he live in?
I don't know.
Wherever you live, please fly us out. Y'all, I got my ponytail on today. No weed. Now we're at Ashley. What is going so hard? Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. These beds are so cute. Unfortunately, I already got a bed. And it's not cute, but it's like simple.
Something that has like a little small lifestyle and everything.
Oh, that's on Wish.
That's why I don't.
Amazon don't do that. Wish does.
Right there. It was a white one though.
Look how my sister be looking.
Right there.
Y'all, I literally ran to the bathroom because I had to cough, and I don't want anybody thinking that I'm sick. Nowadays, you can't even cough without an uproar happening. So you come here now that I'm in here? Mm-hmm. Y'all, her lip gloss spilled all over in her pocket. Target.
That's where we get the bed.
Why does it feel so cheap and stuff?
It's $30.
Hey, watch out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be invading Nene's world.
Taking your stuff.
No. Me and Katie. See? Me and Katie. We're going to be taking over this channel.
Mom, which one did I get?
You guys are just mad and rude.
And what are we mad about? Express yourself. Tell us how you really feel. Did y'all see that?
What did she do?
Rude and disrespectful.
It's down here. Show your drink. They went and they got Starbucks. What is that? Guys, my mom got me this cookie. Powerade.
Would you like the Powerade fruit punch?
Yes.
What else can I get for you?
And let me also get a I don't have my card.
You did that for what?
The card.
My face is right there.
You ain't even your face. I looked back when I threw it.
I was laying down.
Okay, we can still lay on top of it.
Get up. Or shut up. Cut that on film, Mom.
What?
She just almost tried to punch me.
In your neck?
No, my face. She did like,
she had to go
yeah.
Oh, sorry.
See, think I'm lying. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be telling you guys about this amazing product that I was sent by Duvolle. So this is a Radiance Simmer Brush Care System, and it comes with 4 deep cleaning brushes, okay? Exfoliating brush, a large body brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice brush. I hope I said that right. Pumice. Y'all, so they have a big old body brush. Let me take it out of the packaging for y'all. It is so freaking soft. So right here we have this big body brush. A lot of companies don't include the body brush and the face brush in one packaging. So of course, this doesn't just have to go on, you know, your face, your shoulders. Like, it can literally go all over your body. Then we have the pumice brush, y'all. This is like like the hard stonish brush. Like, you know how you go to the nail salon to get them scrubbed off in the little water? No, you can do this at home now. It's also good for your elbows. Then we have the actual facial cleansing and the exfoliating. Cleansing, this is the exfoliating. They look very, very similar. We have this bend brush, y'all. Underneath, taking this off, it does require batteries and it is waterproof, so just stick the batteries in there and make sure this is on. Use this in the shower and it will not mess up. I'm gonna be using this with the Bliss. I'm just gonna wet my skin a little bit. Sorry I'm not in my bathroom because I don't want to be in my bathroom. Found some batteries and now let's begin. Ooh, it foams so well. I love a foamy cleanser, and this brush is making it foamy. You can really feel it getting deep down. This brush has my face feeling so freaking clean, like it's crazy. If you're interested in this product, make sure you click the link in the description and use my code NANAYS70 for 70% off. 70% off. Go get this brush. Back to the video. Day 2. We're gonna be doing some more shopping today. My mom's on the freaking phone. Like, you hear me? Every time we get in here, we gotta maneuver around.
Okay, this is my work car.
We can never just get in.
I know you ain't talking either.
We gotta maneuver around. This, at least this is work stuff.
Oh, well, I tell you, don't get in my car.
Around bags of
Trash.
what? Trash.
That's not trash. Try this place, Value City Furniture.
See, is this the right way since this is on the outside?
What? Yeah. It has to be blue on the outside, though. I'm also looking for a chair, but I might get that after I like move in. It's a big Dollar Tree. Yeah. Why is it so orange in here? Greenish. How do you feel about this place versus, you know who?
Miss Ashley?
Yeah. Now we are at this place.
Give me the DoorDash. What's this going?
This place just local to North Carolina? Or is it all around? Christmas? Let's go walk around. I said we can just go walk. Hi.
How you doing? How are you, good?
This place looks like super big, guys. They have 4 sections. Ooh. Yes.
I was gonna watch you this morning, like I was just saying. Can you stop recording me, please?
So now we're out to eat. And we're gonna go to Cracker Barrel. My sister was freaking complaining and stuff. So now we are at Red Lobster. Your plate looks very small. And we're out of here. Okay guys, that is it for this vlog.